Good afternoon. Welcome to Midcap Radar. I'm Reema Tendulkar. With me is Sonal Bhutra, and these are the top stories this Tuesday afternoon. The Nifty and the Midcaps trade flat. IT Pharma lags. Energy and FMCG gains.
Midcap is under pressure today after the company in a conference call last evening says that its acquisition of 15.7% stake in rival auto parts maker Precall was purely a financial investment and it will be a minority shareholders in the company with no special rights.
Marico gains on Citi's buy call. The brokerage gives the volume growth acceleration in core brands a thumbs up and expects a healthy uptake across verticals starting from fourth quarter.
Lumax Auto's tech surges post-acquisition of majority stake in IAC Group's India business. The management tells CNBC-TV18 the acquisition of this particular company allows them to move up the value chain.
BEML gains on its pact with Delhi Metro Rail Corp for Bahrain Metro. The industrial equipment maker will be in charge of manufacturing and supply metro rolling stock.
Siemens India hits a 52-week high intraday on bullish brokerage commentary. UBS initiates a buy on the stock, sees potential for double-digit surprise in order inflows and a strong growth cycle ahead. All right, those are the headlines that we are tracking for you. Absolutely flat for the markets right now. While Nifty is in the green, up around 10 points. We have flattish moves coming in for the mid-cap index. That's flat with some negative bias. So there has been a tad bit of a recovery from the lows. We have seen a sharp fall from the highs and then some recovery which is underway. We'll have to see whether that sustains or not. The Bank Nifty is down 50 points as we speak. And we really have a lot of sectoral moves or stock-specific moves that we can talk about. CPSE index, again, making highs of the day, so that index is up 0.6%, and Nifty Energy is the one which is also doing well. So Reema has been quite range bound. We have come off from the highs, but maybe we will see some action in the last 1 hour of trade.
Let's see. We'll toss it over to Shrikant Chouhan of Kotak Securities to find out if there are any trades that he would recommend in this quiet day so far. Shrikant, it all boils down to individual stocks. What would your recommendations be?
Yeah, good afternoon, Reema. I think, the markets are very clearly following to the range. And after hitting the levels of 18,150, now again, it is very close to the lower boundary of the entire range, which is around 17,700, 750. So till the markets are not closing below the levels of 17,700, we are going to see stock-specific sort of activity. And I think today, if we go through with the energy basket, then from that, we like Tata Power, which is currently trading at 208, 209. Since September 2022, the stock is under some selling pressure, and now it is very close to that particular trend line. And on the dismissal of that, we can expect the stock to move towards either 220, 225. So it's a buy at current levels around 208, 209 with a stop loss around 200. The other stock which we like is Philips Carbon, PCBL, which is currently trading at some 120, 122. It was into corrective pattern and it was very close to the completing the corrective pattern, and after that it has formed falling wedge. So it is clearly indicating us that after completing the correction, the stock is going to move towards 135, 140. So at current levels, it's a very strong bet, strong candidate to buy and hold with a stop loss at 110. We can expect 140 on the high side.
Okay, all right, Shrikant, thank you so much for joining us. With that, we'll sip into a break. On the other side, Rahul Mittal, who is the chairman and MD at RITES, will be with us to discuss their recent order wins. Stay tuned for that.